Talking to the receptionist.
Good morning. Welcome to TalkBridge Media.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
How can I help you today?
I'm here for my first day of work.
Oh, that's exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
Don't worry. Everyone is nervous on the first day. What is your name, please?
My name is Mila. Mila Rossi.
Let me check the visitor list. Mila Rossi. Can you spell your last name for me?
Yes, of course. It's Rossi.
Rossi. Perfect. I see you here. You are the new graphic designer, right?
Yes, that's me. I'm joining the creative team.
Very cool. We need more creative people here.
I hope I can help.
I'm sure you will. Okay, I need to see your ID, please.
Sure, just a moment. Let me find it in my bag. Here it is, my driver's license.
Thank you. Let me scan this quickly. Okay, all done. Here is your ID back.
Thank you. Do I need a security badge?
Yes, you do. I am making it for you right now. This badge is very important.
Why is that?
You need it for the elevator and for all the doors.
I see. So I should wear it all the time?
Yes, please. Wear it on your jacket or around your neck.
Okay, I will. Thank you for explaining that.
No problem. Here is your badge, Mila.
It looks great. My photo is actually okay.
It's a good photo. Now, do you know where to go?
Not really. My manager's name is Sarah.
Ah, Sarah. She is on the second floor.
The second floor? Okay, how do I get there?
Look behind me. Do you see those elevators?
The ones next to the big plant?
Exactly. Take the elevator to the second floor.
Second floor. Got it. And then?
Turn right. Sarah's office is the third door on the left.
Turn right. Then the third door on the left.
You got it. It's very easy to find.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help, Leo.
You're very welcome, Mila. Good luck with Sarah.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
Talking to a colleague.
Good morning. You look a bit lost.
Oh, hi. Yes, I am. This machine is very complicated.
I know. It looks like a spaceship.
Exactly. I just want a simple black coffee.
No problem. I can help you with that.
Thank you so much. I'm Mila, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mila. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. Are you a designer too?
No, I'm in the marketing department.
Oh, marketing. That's interesting.
It's okay. Most of the time, we just drink coffee.
I think I will fit in here then.
Okay, here is your black coffee.
Thank you. It smells great.
You're welcome. So, is this your first day?
Yes, it is. I just arrived 10 minutes ago.
Welcome to the team. How do you like the office so far?
It's very big. I'm afraid I will get lost.
Don't worry. You will remember everything in a week.
I hope so. Everyone is so friendly.
Yes, we are a good group. Where is your desk?
It's on the second floor, near Sarah's office.
Oh, you are lucky. That's the best spot in the building.
Really? Why is that?
Because it's near the windows, you get a lot of sun.
That's perfect. I love natural light.
Me too. Well, I should get back to work.
Me too. Thank you for the coffee and the help, Sam.
Anytime, Mila. Enjoy your first day.
Thanks. See you later.
See you later.
Meeting the manager.
Excuse me? Sarah?
Oh, Mila, yes, please come in.
Thank you. It's nice to finally meet you in person.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
Thank you. You have a very nice office.
Thanks. So, how was your morning?
It was great. I met Leo at the reception and Sam at the coffee machine.
Good. Everyone is very friendly here. Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am very excited. What is my first task?
First, let's look at your new desk. Is it comfortable?
Yes, it's perfect. I love the big window.
Great. Light is very important for a designer. Now, look at this laptop. This is your new workstation.
It looks very fast. How do I log in?
Good question. Look at this small yellow paper.
Oh, I see. It has a username and a password.
Exactly. Your username is mila.design.
And the password is Talk 2024?
Yes, it's a temporary password. Please change it later.
Okay, I will change it for security.
Perfect. Now, please open your email inbox.
Okay, I am in my inbox now.
I sent you an email with some important folders.
I see it. Welcome project.
Open that folder. You will find the company logos and colors.
Should I start a new design today?
No. Today is just for learning. Don't rush.
That's a relief. I want to learn everything correctly.
Take your time. We have no urgent work today.
Thank you, Sarah. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, just ask.
I will. Where is your office if I need you?
I am always here, or you can send me a quick message on Slack.
Great. I will start looking at the folders now.
Excellent. Enjoy your first day, Mila.
Thank you, Sarah.
Leaving the office.
Hey, Mila. Are you still here?
Oh, hi, Sam. Yes, I am just finishing some notes.
It's 5 p.m. Time to go home.
Wow, already? The day was very fast.
That's a good sign. It means you were busy.
Yes, I learned so many new things today.
Are you tired?
A little bit. My brain is very full.
Don't worry. Tomorrow will be easier.
I hope so. See you tomorrow, Sam.
See you. Have a good evening.
Good evening, Leo.
Good evening, Mila. You are leaving now?
Yes, my first day is finished.
So, how was it? Was Sarah nice?
She was amazing, very helpful and patient.
I told you, she is the best manager here.
You were right. Everyone was very kind to me.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you have everything?
Yes, I have my bag, my phone, and my new badge.
Don't forget your badge tomorrow morning.
I won't. It's already in my bag.
Good. How are you going home?
I'm taking the bus. Is the station near here?
Yes, it's very close. Just turn left outside the door.
Turn left. Okay. Is it a long walk?
No, only 2 minutes. The bus comes every 10 minutes.
That's perfect. I don't want to wait a long time.
Are you going straight home to sleep?
Actually, no. I am meeting a friend for dinner.
Oh, that's nice. A celebration for the new job?
Yes, exactly. I need to tell her everything.
Well, have a great dinner and a lovely evening.
Thank you, Leo. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m.
See you then. Bye, Mila.
Bye.
Dinner with a friend.
Mila, over here. Hi, Lily. I am so happy to see you. Me too. You look great. How was the first day? It was amazing. A bit long, but really good. I want to hear everything, but first, let's order. I'm starving. Me too. Everything looks delicious. Do you want pizza or pasta? The pasta looks very good in the pictures. I think I will have the lasagna. What about you? I'll have the spaghetti. It's my favorite. Great choice. Oh, wait. Show me the badge.
Look, here it is.
Wow. Mila Rossi, graphic designer. It's official. I know. I felt so proud when I put it on this morning. You look so professional in the photo. Leo, the receptionist, said the same thing. Who is Leo? He is the first person I met today. He was very helpful. That's good. And your manager, is she nice? Her name is Sarah. She's very kind and patient. She told me, don't rush, take your time to learn. That is the best kind of manager. You are lucky. I know. And I met a guy named Sam at the coffee machine. Oh, a coffee friend already? Stop it. He just helped me use the machine. It was very high tech. Well, it sounds like a perfect first day. It really was. I'm a bit tired now, but I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm so proud of you, Mila. Let's celebrate. Thank you, Lily. I'm glad we are friends. Me too. Now, let's find the waiter. I really need that pasta. Excuse me. Are you ready to order, Lily? Yes, I am ready. Let's eat. Perfect. Tomorrow is going to be another busy day.